Uh, Welcome back to the channel. Let's discuss about IoT architecture. What is IoT architecture? It's a fundamental way to design the various elements of IoT so that it can deliver services over the network and serve the needs for the future. It has four components: application and analysis, integration, security, and infrastructure. It's a networking of physical object contain electronics embedded within their architecture in order to communicate and sense interaction amongst each other with respect to the external environment. In the upcoming years, IoT based technology will offer advanced level of services and practically change the way people lead their daily lives. Advancement in medicine, power, gene therapies, agriculture, smart cities, and smart homes are just a very few of the categories example where IoT is strongly established. Over 9 billion, I repeat, 9 billion physical objects are currently connected to the internet. As of now, it's a near future, the number of expected rise to a whooping 20 billion. It's a huge number. Next, the four components of used in IoT, that's a low power embedded system, cloud computing environment, availability of big data. The IoT rolls heavily on sensors, especially real time. These electronic devices spread throughout every field. Their usage is going to trigger a massive flux of big data. Next, networking connections. The tagline, or you can quote in one liner, that anytime, any place, anything in connectivity established through IoT from a separate internetwork, including physical object, makes the internet more even more expensive. But this requires hardcore technologies such as rigorous cloud computing and rapid big data storage. The application of cloud computing in the popular domain, that is manufacturing, industrial business, healthcare, security, and retail. The four stages of IoT architecture. These are the four stages of IoT architecture used in industry right now. The IoT sensor node block diagram. The Internet of Things is a direct about interconnecting embedded system being together two evolving technologies, wireless connectivity and sensors. And these connected embedded systems are independent microcontroller and computers that use sensor to collect data. The three layers of IoT architecture are perceptions, network, and applications. This is the physical layer of the architecture. This is where the sensor or connected devices come into play as and gather various amount of data as per the needs of the project. What is IoT? It provides what is AWS IoT rather. It provides the cloud service that connect your IoT devices to other devices and AWS cloud services. It can it can help you integrate your IoT devices into AWS IoT based solution. If your device are connect to AWS IoT, AWS IoTs can connect them to the cloud service that AWS provides. AWS IoTs lets you connect to the most appropriate and up-to-date technologies for your solution to help you manage and support your IoT devices in the field. AWS can core support this protocol. There is a MOTT, first message queuing and telemetry transport. Next, MOTT over WebSocket secure, HTTP secure hypertext transfer protocol, and AWS IoT core for long range wireless area network. How to get started? Using AWS IoT device SDK, using AWS IoT core for long range wide area network, and next AWS command line interface CLI model. AWS IoT API that build your IoT application using HTTP or HTTPS request. These actions allow you to programmatically create and manage these object, certificate, rules, and policies. And AWS IoT provides secure bidirectional communication between internet connected devices such as sensor, accumulator embedded devices, or smart appliances. And also, you can discover your custom IoT data endpoint to communicate with, configure rules for data processing, and integration with other services. Organize resources associated with each device, that is, registry, configure logging, and create and manage policies and credential to authenticate devices. AWS IoT data that enables secure communication between bidirectional communication between internet connected things, sensors, embedded devices, or smart appliances, and the AWS cloud. It implements a broker for application or things, published messages over HTTP, and retrieve, update, and delete those datas, or can say shadows. The shadow is a persistent representation of your things and their state in the AWS cloud. AWS IoT Jobs is a service that allows you to define a set of jobs, remote operation that are sent to and executed on and more devices connected to AWS IoT code. For example, you can define a job that instruct a set of devices to download and retail those applications or firmware updates, robust, rotate certificates, or perform remote troubleshooting operations. These are the glossary of some IoT terms in context of many IoT core devices, many automated devices configuration within IoT hubs, the cloud gateway, and some other features. How IoT can be used? Sensor data can help save lives during natural disaster. The steady stream of collected sensor information is allowed disaster management official and first response to become smart about how they address those storms, floods, and fires at every point along the way, before, during, and after. The modern technologies recently help control the speed of crop threatening migratory pest desert locust by using advanced technology, including drones, to ensure there is not much crop damage. The application of AI, this combination of data source from sensor can unlock pattern, can help us to communicate communities early and save lives. The first priority of any government at the time of natural disaster to prevent loss of life and property. It can be better achieved in agency receive informations prior to a tragic event. Prevention is always better than cure. By design, most of us live in a world where crowds can act by sensors thanks to our smartphone and social media platform, where latency between an event occurring and communications to surrounding communities and being made aware can often be a very few seconds. Welcome back to the channel. Let's discuss about IoT architecture. To the internet, as of now, it's a near future. The number of expected rise to a whooping 20 billion. It's a huge number. Next, the four components of used in IoT. That's a low power embedded system, cloud computing environment, availability of big data. The IoT rolls heavily on sensors, especially real time. These electronic devices spread throughout every field. Their usage is going to trigger a massive flux of big data. Next, networking connections. The tagline, or you can quote in one liner, that anytime, any place, anything in connectivity established through IoT from a separate internetwork, including physical object, makes the internet more